Welcome to this complete Alicante, Spain travel guide. Alicante, a city that effortlessly marries the old with the new. A place where history whispers from the castle walls, while contemporary art declares itself boldly on museum canvases. Where the vibrant culture dances in every plaza and the stunning landscapes stretch out, inviting exploration. With its sun-drenched beaches, buzzing markets and tranquil parks, Alicante is a city that thrives under the Mediterranean sun. Now let's dive into the 13 must-see spots that make Alicante a gem of a city. Our journey begins with the majestic Santa Bárbara Castle. Perched atop Mount Benacantil, this fortress's origins date back to the 9th century during the Muslim rule of Iberia. Over the centuries it has witnessed numerous historical events, but today it stands as a beacon of Alicante's rich past. The castle's architecture is a testament to the many hands that have helped shape it, from its Muslim roots to later Christian influences. It's an amalgamation of periods and styles, with walls whispering tales of valor, conquest and resilience. But it's not just the castle's history that's captivating. Ascend its heights and you're rewarded with a breathtaking panorama of Alicante. The vibrant city, the azure Mediterranean Sea and the distant mountains, all laid out in a stunning tableau. So whether you're a history buff, an architecture enthusiast, or simply a lover of beautiful views, Santa Bárbara Castle has something to offer. With a castle visit ticked off our list, we head to our next stop. Next, we delve into the charming alleys of Barrio Santa Cruz. This enchanting old town is like stepping back into a simpler, more colorful time. The narrow, winding streets are lined with vibrant houses, each one seemingly competing for the title of most colorful. The walls are adorned with potted plants, creating a lush urban jungle that contrasts beautifully against the painted facades. Every corner you turn in Barrio Santa Cruz reveals a new surprise. You might stumble upon a hidden plaza where locals gather to chat and children play, or perhaps you'll find a tiny chapel, its doors open to anyone seeking a moment of quiet reflection. The atmosphere here is alive with the buzz of daily life, yet there's a tranquility that's hard to put into words. As you explore, you can almost hear the echoes of the past, whispering tales of the people who once called these cobblestone streets home. Having walked through history, it's time to unwind at our next destination. Welcome to the serene Postiga Beach. Imagine sinking your toes into the fine sun-warmed sand, the sound of gentle waves lapping at the shore. The crystal clear waters invite you in for a refreshing swim. As the Mediterranean sun paints the sky in hues of orange and pink, there is a sense of tranquility here that seeps into your soul, a calming effect that soothes away the stresses of the world. Refreshed and rejuvenated, we're ready for our next adventure. Prepare to be amazed at the Archaeological Museum of Alicante. Often referred to by its Spanish acronym MARC, this museum is a treasure trove of Alicante's rich and diverse history. From the earliest traces of human habitation in the region through to the splendors of the Roman Empire, the museum's collections encapsulate the ebb and flow of cultures over thousands of years. Each exhibit tells a story, stories of conquest and survival, of innovation and artistry, of communities that have long since vanished, yet whose legacies continue to shape the world we live in today. The museum's innovative approach to storytelling brings these relics to life, providing a captivating and immersive journey into the past. So whether you're a history buff or just a casual visitor, MARC offers an unforgettable glimpse into the storied past of Alicante. With a taste of Alicante's past, we move to a celebration of its present. Welcome to the Alicante Museum of Contemporary Art, a haven for art lovers. This magnificent institution is a beacon of modern creativity nestled in Alicante's vibrant cultural landscape. The museum houses an impressive collection of 20th century art, featuring works by renowned artists like Joan Miro and Salvador Dali. Each piece tells a story, a slice of the artist's mind, a snapshot of a moment in time. The museum also plays a pivotal role in promoting contemporary art, offering a platform for emerging talents to showcase their work. Its dynamic exhibitions, workshops and cultural events breathe life into Alicante's art scene, establishing it as a significant hub for modern art in Spain. As you wander through the museum, let your mind wander too. Explore the depth of human creativity, the beauty in abstraction, the power of expression. The Alicante Museum of Contemporary Art is not just a place to see art, it's a place to experience it. Immersed in art, we now head outdoors to the heart of Alicante. We find ourselves at the vibrant Explanada de España. This splendid promenade is a symphony of color adorned with over 6 million mosaic tiles, creating a wave-like pattern that mirrors the Mediterranean Sea. Tall, swaying palm trees add a tropical touch, while the lively atmosphere is fueled by street musicians, bustling cafes, and artisan stalls. It's a place that truly embodies the spirit of Alicante. From one architectural marvel to another, we now head to a sacred spot. Next, we visit the oldest active church in Alicante, the Basilica of Santa Maria. Erected in the late 13th century on the ruins of an old mosque, this Gothic-style basilica carries a rich tapestry of history within its stone walls. Its Baroque facade and ornate interior are a testament to the myriad cultures that have influenced Alicante over the centuries. Stepping into this basilica is like stepping back in time. From the sacred to the everyday, we're off to explore Alicante's central market. Welcome to the bustling Alicante Central Market. A lively symphony of sights, sounds, and aromas, this vibrant hub is the heart of Alicante's local life. Here, a cornucopia of stalls brim with everything from fresh produce and seafood to tantalizing confections and artisanal goods. It's a feast for the senses where you can immerse yourself in the authentic local culture. The market's bustling atmosphere is infectious, making it an essential experience for any visitor. With our senses invigorated, we head to our next historic landmark. We now find ourselves at the San Fernando Castle. A silent sentinel over Alicante, this fortress has seen centuries pass by, its stone walls whispering tales of strategic battles and royal intrigues. Positioned atop a hill, it once served as a vantage point for watching over the city and the sea. Nowadays, it offers visitors breathtaking views of Alicante's cityscape, stretching out to the azure Mediterranean. From the castle's heights, we descend into the tranquility of a city park. Welcome to the peaceful El Palmeral Park, a green oasis amidst Alicante's urban sprawl. This park is a sanctuary of tranquility. Let's immerse ourselves in the lush greenery where towering palms sway gently to the rhythm of the breeze. Listen to the melodic symphony of cascading waterfalls, creating a soothing ambience. A respite from the city's hustle and bustle, El Palmeral is truly a haven for those seeking serenity. Refreshed and rejuvenated, we head to our next destination. Next, we visit the bustling Alicante Marina. A tapestry of luxury yachts docked side by side, the marina is a spectacle of opulence and grandeur. But it's not just about the boats. The marina is also a culinary hotspot. Its vibrant restaurants serve up a storm of flavors, from traditional Spanish tapas to international cuisine. If you're looking for a bit of thrill, there's no shortage of leisure activities. You can try your hand at sailing or simply enjoy a leisurely stroll. From the marina's vibrancy, we head to a symbol of Alicante's cultural heritage. We now find ourselves at the Alicante Bullring. A structure steeped in history, the bullring has been a cornerstone of Alicante's cultural identity since the mid-19th century. It's more than just a venue for bullfighting. From concerts to festivals, this architectural marvel breathes life into the city's vibrant social scene. And if you're thinking it's all about the bulls, think again. The bullring also hosts a museum showcasing the rich tapestry of Alicante's past. Our final stop takes us to an iconic viewpoint. We end our journey with the breathtaking views from the Monte Benacantil. As if Alicante hasn't enchanted us enough, the vista from here is the city's crowning glory. Gaze upon the panoramic splendor of the city where the azure Mediterranean meets the vibrant cityscape. The surrounding landscapes, bathed in the golden glow of the setting sun, is a sight to behold. As the sun sets on Alicante, we bid you farewell until our next adventure. Before we say goodbye, let's recap our 13 must-see spots in Alicante. We began our adventure with the majestic Santa Bárbara Castle, offering us a slice of history and breathtaking views. Then we meandered through the charming, winding streets of the old town, Barrio Santa Cruz. Our journey continued to the tranquil Postiga Beach, followed by a deep dive into history at the Archaeological Museum of Alicante and a splash of modernity at the Alicante Museum of Contemporary Art. We strolled along the picturesque Explanada de España, admired the Basilica of Santa Maria, and explored the bustling Alicante Central Market. Our exploration led us to the San Fernando Castle, the serene El Palmeral Park, the vibrant Alicante Marina, and the iconic Alicante Bullring. Finally, we soaked up the panoramic views from the Monte Benacantil, a fitting end to our Alicante adventure. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Alicante. We hope to see you on our next journey.